Hey guys, so I'm going to do a head spin or attempt because I just bought this new hat and I'm gonna see, it's supposed to be made for head spinning. I've tried to head spin before, but it's just not ever been very successful because 1, my hair catches, 2, it hurts, or 3, I just can never get around and continue. So I'm gonna attempt with this hat, and maybe I can show you how to kind of get into a headstand if you are new to it. So when we first do a headstand, we want to be on our knees, and we want to put our hands next to our knees, and then our head goes in front. So I build a little triangle from 1, 2, and 3 with my hand, head, and hands. Okay, so here, down. From the side, looks like this. Okay, then when I go up, I want to just try to not jump into it, but straighten my back. You go down here, you pike up, and just try to get that back straight until those feet come up. And then you could just hold it solid, put more pressure down on your shoulders. You can do whatever legs you want. So I'm going to attempt a head spin. There are 2 ways to do it. One is to move your hands and walk and then spin. And another way is to try to whip your legs and throw them. I'm gonna go hands. So, some tips on your headstand. You don't want to crash your neck right here. So, when you do it, you need to try to extend your neck as much as possible. Press your shoulders down while upside down. Okay? And then you want your back to be a straight line. You don't want it to be hunched in. You want it to be super straight. And again, you don't want your hands to be like fingertips. You want like more palm strength and grasping of the floor. Once your core is tight and solid, you should have no problem holding it. You can probably hold it for as long as you, like forever, as long as you want. With head spins, I've heard it's smarter to do the hand spin way, which I have just done that, and it actually was a lot easier than when I have tried to do the wind up. So clearly I don't have it, but good little attempt, eh? I'm still a work in progress. I like to work on my tricks, so I fell. It's not necessarily a full failure, it's just not a complete success just yet. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my page, and comment below what else you would like to see me try or do or teach you. And yeah, happy dancing. Bye.